So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use Databricks in the Visual Studio Code. So guys, if you want to use the Databrick in the Visual Studio Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply first check the update of your Visual Studio Code. Okay, after that, you simply go for the option of extensions. Basically, extension is freely available in all the VS Code, okay, that you download from the official website. After that, guys, here in the extension, you simply search Databricks. So simply search DATA bricks. After that, guys, here you see there is lot of extension are shows here. Then how you identify? So first one is check is number of the downloads. So here you see around 375K users download this extension. So this is the official extension. Second thing is guys, it's author. So Databricks, the official author. When you click it, so you get also get more details. So guys, here you see Databricks extension for the Visual Studio Code. The Databricks extension for the VS Code allow you to develop for the Databricks. So this is the official page. If I go to the next one, so guys, here is it is a file. So you just leave it and you click the option of install the Databricks. So you trust and install the publisher and you install it. So it's take around few seconds to install. Then after install, you go back to your file where you want to use the Databricks. And guys, at the left side corner, it Databricks are shows. Okay. So basically, it helps to define, deploy, and render the derivative automation bundles to apply CI/CD patterns to your Databricks jobs, Delta Live tables, pipeline, or MLOps stacks. Run your local Python code files on your Databricks clusters. So basically, this is um, for this use. Okay. So guys, if you want to use, so you click on this, and guys, here you see the option of Databricks. So you just click it and start configuration and select your project. So guys, thank you.